Presenting BI Validator from Datagaps, the leading automated testing solution for business intelligence platforms. It ensures your BI reports and dashboards deliver accurate, reliable, and consistent insights that you can trust. BI Validator performs both textual and visual validation to detect differences in report through upgrade and regression testing. Upgrade testing compares reports across progressive deployment environments such as development, test, and production or across different versions to ensure they remain consistent. Regression testing looks at how a single report evolves over time, ensuring all changes, expected or not, work as intended. BI Validator verifies that the data displayed in your BI reports matches the underlying data warehouses such as Snowflake or Databricks, or other source systems like Oracle or MySQL. It performs detailed row-by-row comparisons to detect inconsistent transformation logic in measure definitions and aggregate calculations, as well as incomplete refreshes, ensuring data integrity across your analytics pipeline. BI Validator tests dynamic report elements, like filters, slicers, and bookmarks, to ensure they work correctly and interact properly across visuals. It also performs functional testing to ensure that BI reports and dashboards align with defined business logic and expected behavior. Application validates the performance of BI reports in two key aspects. First, checking how report load times and responsiveness change across upgrades. Second, verifying how well the report handles multiple users and large data volumes under peak conditions. It supports enterprise-grade security, including role-based access control and row-level security validation, ensuring compliance and secure access to sensitive data. BI Validator works across Power BI, Tableau, Oracle Analytics, and other BI tools, providing a unified testing experience. Built on Apache Spark, BI Validator is capable of handling millions and billions of rows with ease. With the help of its wizard feature, it can generate multiple test cases in bulk. This allows you to save time while putting in minimal effort. BI Validator uses AI and LLMs to summarize report differences, auto-generate SQL for validations, and enhance test automation, ensuring faster, smarter, and more accurate BI testing. It also offers plugins for some extensive use cases like ticketing, CI/CD integration, and custom validations. Schedule tests, set notification alerts, report and share results with your team in real time. BI Validator automates BI testing, ensuring reliable insights for smarter decisions.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Scan the below QR code for free demo. Thank you.